If you're over 40, 50, or 60, and you sometimes feel bloated, sluggish, or just not quite yourself after meals, you're not alone. Your gut is more than a digestion center. It's your body's control room, influencing energy, immunity, blood sugar, and even your mood. And when it's not in balance, you can feel it in everything: your energy, your sleep, and your cravings. But here's the good news. You can bring it back into balance naturally, because food, when chosen wisely, can help heal your gut, balance your blood sugar, and even reignite your energy. And that's what this video is all about. Inspired by a publication on EatingWell, here are 20 gut-friendly dinners that support digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and keep your body thriving. One delicious bite at a time. Food number 1. Lemon-turmeric cabbage and white bean soup. Warm, soothing, and deeply nourishing. Tender cabbage, creamy white beans, and the golden power of turmeric, a spice known for fighting inflammation. A splash of lemon cuts through beautifully, turning every spoonful into a cozy, healing moment. Food number 2. Pesto pasta with peas and tomatoes. This isn't your regular pasta night. Here, sweet peas add protein and fiber, while cherry tomatoes bring natural sweetness. The basil pesto ties it all together with healthy fats, the kind that protect your heart and steady your blood sugar. Food number 3. High-fiber chopped salad with Italian vinaigrette, crunchy, colorful, and deeply satisfying. Loaded with chickpeas, crisp veggies, and a homemade vinaigrette, this salad brings both freshness and function, helping your gut stay active and happy after every bite. Food number 4. Lemony orzo and tuna salad with broccoli. Tuna gives you lean protein, broccoli adds fiber and antioxidants, and lemon brightens the dish with a refreshing twist. It's a fast, balanced meal that supports energy without the sugar spike. Food number 5. High-protein pasta with peas, plant-based and powerful, made with chickpea pasta for extra fiber and protein. This meal fuels muscles while keeping digestion smooth. Top it with toasted pine nuts for that nutty crunch your gut will thank you for. Food number 6. Roasted potato, tzatziki bowls. Golden roasted potatoes meet creamy Greek yogurt sauce and crunchy fresh veggies. This bowl is not just a feast for your taste buds. It's a prebiotic, probiotic powerhouse that feeds your good gut bacteria. Food number 7. Herb marinated veggie and chickpea salad. When you want something quick, fresh, and effortless, this one's perfect. Crisp vegetables, chickpeas, and herbs marinated in lemony dressing make a fiber-rich meal your gut will love. Food number 8. Ginger dill salmon with cucumber and avocado salad. Flaky salmon meets fresh cucumber and creamy avocado. Ginger adds warmth, dill brings calm, and every bite feels like wellness in motion, supporting your heart, muscles, and metabolism. Food number 9. Sagaloo matar. A comforting Indian-inspired dish made with greens, potatoes, and peas simmered in tomato sauce. It's hearty, anti-inflammatory, and full of slow-digesting fiber that supports stable blood sugar. Food number 10. Sheet pan chicken thighs with red cabbage and sweet potatoes. A one-pan wonder that saves time and fills your kitchen with the aroma of real food. Protein, color, and fiber, and all in perfect harmony. Food number 11. Brothy lemon garlic beans, simple, rustic, and soulful. Creamy beans soak up lemon and garlic for a deeply nourishing, low-sugar comfort meal. Add a drizzle of olive oil for extra richness. Food number 12. Garlicky cabbage soup, light yet deeply satisfying. Garlic brings warmth, cabbage supports detox, and the broth restores calm to your digestion. Sometimes healing begins with a simple bowl of soup. Food number 13. Salmon salad with crispy white beans. A crunchy, protein-packed salad with heart-healthy omega-3s. It's proof that eating clean doesn't have to mean eating plain. Food number 14. Chicken parmesan soup. All the comfort of your favorite Italian dish, without the heaviness. Tomato, herbs, and parmesan turn this into a bowl that soothes both your stomach and your soul. Food number 15. Bhel puri-inspired salad. A flavorful Indian-inspired salad bursting with color, puffed quinoa, and lentils. Light, crunchy, and full of fiber. It's healthy food that feels fun again. Food number 16. Sheet pan salmon and shaved Brussels sprouts with lemon garlic drizzle. Salmon and Brussels sprouts baked together with a tangy lemon drizzle. Quick to make, quick to love. Simple ingredients, powerful benefits. Food number 17. Chicken and cabbage soup with pesto, one pot, zero stress. Tender chicken, creamy beans, and a swirl of pesto, delivering gut-friendly fats and satisfying flavor in every spoonful. Food number 18. Ginger tahini oven-baked salmon and vegetables. Tahini coats the salmon and veggies with rich, nutty flavor. Ginger keeps it fresh and light, turning this meal into a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Food number 19. Chicken Parmesan casserole comfort food reimagined. All the cheesy goodness without the grease or the guilt. It's family-friendly, blood sugar-friendly, and irresistibly good. Food number 20. Sheet pan salmon with sweet potatoes and broccoli, vibrant, nourishing, and bursting with color. Salmon brings omega-3s, sweet potatoes provide steady energy, and broccoli adds the fiber your gut depends on. Now let's round up on a very important note. Your gut health isn't just about digestion. It's about energy, clarity, and the freedom to enjoy life without discomfort or fatigue.